Guys, it's a new video about the Snapchat app, so watch this tutorial and get to know how to activate the boomerang filter on this app. Let's go to watching! The first step is to open the Snapchat app, create a new story or snap using this central shooter button. So I will hold it on to create a new video. So let's check how to activate this boomerang feature. I just need to click on the last feature here to manage these options different. So I have a bounce, play once and the loop option. I need to stop on this. And right now this loop option is our boomerang. You can smoothly use this feature and I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful because it's very short and I hope you saw understandable. After clicking on this send option I can add this video to my story. So guys, right now I hope that you know how to create this boomerang feature. It's definitely like on the Instagram, so you just need, as I said before, click on the last option to manage different ways, different filters and stop on the loop one. Guys, I hope that this tutorial, as I said, was useful. Don't forget to like this tutorial, to like this kit and subscribe to our channel to check other videos about the Snapchat app and other programs. Goodbye!